Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create Weverse accounts. Let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to the Weverse application. Now at the bottom tap on join/login. Now over here you will be redirected to the login page. Here you can log in using your X, Google or Apple account, or you can use your email. So if you're using email, just enter it over here and then click on continue with this email. Now here it will ask you for a password. Make sure it is a strong one and then click on next at the bottom. Now here you will need to enter a nickname. This will be your username in the Weverse, so make sure to enter a unique username with a maximum of 32 characters. Now here you'll need to agree with the terms of services, so just click on the checkbox and then tap on next, and make sure to consent to the promotional information. Now what you will need to do is to verify your email, so go to Gmail and open up what you got from Weverse, and now here just click on verify email. Now they might ask you to log in one more time, so just enter your credentials and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.